In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Wix's email marketing feature. Whether you want to promote your business or share updates with your customers, Wix makes it easy to set up and run email campaigns. So, let's dive right in. First, go to Wix.com and log into your account. If you're new to Wix, don't worry. Signing up is quick and free. You can register using your email or sign in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. This is where you'll find a list of all the websites you've created or are managing. For this tutorial, we'll need to select the website that you want to run your email campaign for. Click on the site you want to work on, and it will take you directly to its management dashboard. From here, you can manage all aspects of the site, from content to design, and now, email campaigns. If you're starting fresh, don't forget to set up your website first before diving into the email marketing tools. It's a great way to ensure your email campaigns are aligned with your site's look and messaging. Now that you're on the site's main dashboard, scroll down until you find the marketing section. This is the hub for all the tools you need to promote your website. And you'll see an option for email marketing. This is where the fun begins. Once you click on email marketing, you'll be directed to the email campaign management page. Here, you'll have all the tools you need to create, design, and send your very first email marketing campaign. It's an intuitive interface that makes it easy to get started, even if it's your first time using email marketing. Whether you're sending out newsletters, promotions, or updates, everything you need to engage with your audience is right here. Wix really streamlines the email marketing process, making it accessible for beginners. Once you reach the email marketing page, you'll notice a prompt encouraging you to send your first marketing email. Here, you can choose to start from scratch or opt for a pre-designed template. If you're new to email marketing or want to save some time, starting with a template is a great choice. Wix offers several templates tailored to different needs. This template is great for crafting professional-looking emails without needing design expertise. Once you click Edit Template, you'll be taken to the editing page where you can fully customize it to reflect your brand and message. You can easily edit text, add images, update links, and even change the color scheme to match your business's branding. The drag and drop functionality makes it simple to add or remove sections, like buttons or social media links, and even insert dynamic content like personalized greetings for your recipients. Once you're inside the email editor, you'll see just how easy it is to navigate. On the left side of the screen, you have access to a variety of elements you can incorporate into your email. These include text, images, buttons, social media icons, videos, and even dividers. This gives you the flexibility to make your email as simple or as detailed as you want. You can also choose to change the overall theme of your email to match your website's branding or pick another design that aligns with the message you want to convey. The first step in customizing your email is to update the text. The template you chose might have placeholder text, but you can easily swap that out with a message that suits your needs. To do this, simply click on the text block, highlight the existing text, and type in your new content. Whether you're sharing a special promotion, announcing a product launch, or providing an update on your business, you can make the text as engaging and relevant as possible. You can also adjust the font, size, and color to make sure it aligns with your brand. Don't forget to keep your copy clear and concise. People tend to skim emails, so make your key messages stand out. Once you're happy with the text, you can move on to adding other elements like images or buttons that will drive readers to your website or online store. Now that the text is updated, let's move on to adding some images to make your email even more eye-catching. In your email editor, click on any image that's already part of the template. Once you do, you'll see an option to change or replace the image. You have two choices here. Upload a new image from your computer, or you can select one from the Wix Media Library if you've already uploaded some assets there. After selecting or uploading your image, just click the Add to Page button, and your image will instantly appear in the email. At this point, you can resize the image or reposition it on the page by dragging it around. Make sure the image aligns well with your text and other elements to maintain a clean and organized layout. For example, you might want to place a product image next to a description or feature an eye-catching banner at the top of your email. If you want to make the image clickable, say, to direct customers to a product page or your online store, just click on the image, and in the settings, you'll find the option to add a link. This is great for driving traffic directly to your website. You can link it to specific products, services, or even a promotional offer page to boost conversions. The ability to link images gives your email a more interactive feel and can help guide your recipients toward your call to action. The template you're working with might include several images, but sometimes you don't need them all. The great thing about Wix's email editor is how easily you can remove or replace sections that aren't necessary for your campaign. If you come across an image or any other element that you don't want to use, just click on it and hit the delete button. It's a simple process to clean up your email and keep it focused on the content that matters most. Now, let's add a button to your email to guide your recipients to take action. Maybe you want to direct them to your product page, an event registration, or even your contact form. To add a button, just click on the area where you'd like to place it, and select the button option from the element list on the left side of the editor. The button will appear right on your page, and from there, you can customize it to match your needs. You can change the button's text to something like Shop Now, Get Started, or Learn More, depending on your goal. Next, you'll need to make the button functional by linking it to a URL. This is the destination your recipients will be directed to when they click the button. For instance, if you're promoting a sale or a product, you might link it to your store's URL. If it's a newsletter or informational campaign, linking to a relevant blog post or landing page can help keep your audience engaged. The button becomes your email's call to action, driving traffic and improving engagement. At the bottom of your email template, there's typically a section dedicated to social media icons. This is a great feature if you want to connect your email campaign to your social media accounts and allow recipients to easily follow you or engage with your content on other platforms. To link your social profiles, all you need to do is click on the social media icons within the template. Wix will then prompt you to enter the URLs for each of your social channels. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn, Wix makes it seamless to add your profiles. Once you've entered the URLs, Wix will automatically display the corresponding icons for each platform, ensuring your recipients can easily recognize where they can connect with you. If you'd like to link to additional platforms not included in the default list, Wix also gives you the option to add custom icons and links. You could include newer platforms like TikTok, YouTube, or Pinterest, depending on where your audience spends their time. This section serves two purposes. It helps extend the reach of your campaign and provides an easy way for recipients to stay connected. Adding these icons can boost your brand visibility and give your audience more ways to interact with your business outside of just email. It's an effective strategy to enhance engagement and nurture long-term relationships with your followers. Once you've customized the template to your liking, it's time to preview your email to make sure everything looks just right. Wix makes it super easy to see how your email will appear on both desktop and mobile devices. Just click on the preview button, and you'll get a full screen view of your email, allowing you to check for any design issues or formatting problems. You can scroll through the entire email and ensure that all the text is readable, images are properly aligned, and the links work correctly. If something doesn't look quite right, you can make adjustments directly from the preview mode. Whether it's tweaking the text, resizing images, or changing button placements, you'll be able to fine-tune everything until you're happy with the result. Once you're satisfied with how your email looks and functions, you're ready to proceed to the next step. You can either send a test email to yourself to double-check one last time, or jump straight into sending the campaign to your recipients. With Wix, this entire process is intuitive, ensuring that your email is polished and professional, ready to make a great impression on your audience. Now, let's dive into selecting who will receive your email. Wix offers a seamless way to import your contacts directly from your customer or subscriber list. If you've been gathering contacts through Wix or another platform, you can upload your contact list easily. But if you're just getting started and don't have many contacts yet, don't worry. Wix allows you to manually add and organize them right within the platform, so you can keep track of your email recipients without any hassle. To get started, click on the Add Recipients button. Here, you'll have two main options. You can upload a CSV file containing your contacts, or you can choose contacts directly from your Wix address book. This makes it easy to send your email to existing customers, leads, or anyone who has opted into receiving communication from you. If you haven't built a list yet, Wix also lets you import contacts from your website's subscriber sign-up forms or social media accounts, so you can start building your audience organically. Once you've selected your recipients, whether from an existing list or by manually adding new ones, click Next. This flexibility means that whether you're just starting out or you already have a solid list of contacts, Wix makes it easy to target the right people with your email campaign. Before sending the email, you'll see a preview of your campaign. Here's where you can make sure everything looks good: the subject line, the sender name, the content, the images, and links. This is your chance to make final adjustments. Once you're happy with your email, you have two options. You can either send now or schedule for later. If you want to send it right away, hit Send Now. If you'd prefer to schedule it for later, click on Schedule and pick the time and date when you'd like the email to go out. You can also send a test email to yourself first, just to make sure everything looks right in your inbox. After you've sent your email, you can track how it's performing. Wix allows you to monitor how many people opened your email, clicked on your links, and more. This will help you understand how effective your campaign was and whether or not you need to make changes for future emails. As you get more familiar with the platform, you'll find that there are lots of other tools and customization options available to make your campaigns even more effective.